In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add age verification to your Wix website. Ensuring that your website content is viewed only by the appropriate audience is crucial for compliance and safety, especially if you offer products or services with age restrictions. Here's how you can go about it, step by step. To start the process, navigate to the Wix App Market. The Wix App Market is where you can find various apps designed to enhance your website's functionality and user interaction. It's quite intuitive to use and can be accessed from your website builder dashboard. Once you're there, enter age verification into the search bar. This search will return several options, including specific apps like 18 plus age verification pop-up. These apps are specifically designed to add an age gate to your site, which is an effective way of ensuring that your visitors confirm their age before accessing certain content. After selecting the app that best suits your needs, follow the on-screen instructions to add it to your site. Wix makes this part pretty straightforward. You generally just need to click an add button and the app will be installed on your site. Installation is usually quick and seamless, allowing you to proceed to customization without much downtime. Now comes the customization, an important step in this process. You can adjust the pop-up's appearance so that it aligns with your site's branding. This might include changing the colors, fonts, and overall layout of the verification pop-up. You'll also want to customize the text to make sure it's clear and concise. A friendly but firm message often works best to convey the importance of age verification to your users. Additionally, while you're setting up the age verification, you can choose what actions to take if a user indicates that they are below the age limit. This might mean redirecting them to a different web page, such as a safer, age-appropriate section of your site, or denying access altogether. By adding this age verification step, not only do you comply with the necessary regulations, but you also create a more responsible online environment. It's a small setup that goes a long way in managing your website's user interactions appropriately. That's it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully added age verification to your Wix website. This essential feature protects both your business and your audience, ensuring a responsible and regulated online experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check out other videos and guides for more tips on optimizing your Wix website.